Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I have a fun project share with you all featuring Flight 2715. Here is the paper collection. And if you want to pick it up, you have two options, a digital or a hard copy where you get the physical paper to your doorstep. I will link you down below, as well as to the tutorial for this project. This is called this is my half-page mini album, and you will understand why as soon as I am done showing you this. I want to give a shout out to Gretchen. I will link you down below to Gretchen's channel. She actually has a YouTube channel. You can find it various places via YouTube. You can look for her also on my fan page. I will link you down below. She makes amazing projects. Not only does she make Paper Phenomenon projects, but she makes her very own projects. Please go check her out. I will link you all down below. So Half Page Mini Album has a few unique things. One, it's the binding. The binding is super unique right here, or a different take on a binding that I made many moons ago. This project I made a long time ago. It's absolutely fantastic binding. If you hate when your pages do not lay flat no matter what you do, no matter how big your freaking gusset is, and they're still not laying flat, you want to create this binding. All right, the album cover and spine is also different, so you want to pick up the tutorial for all of those instructions and how super fun this project is. So this is a marriage between, look at my hands, I'm a mess. This is a marriage between traditional scrapbooking and pocket scrapbooking. I think that's what you call it, pocket scrapbooking. All right, so for those of you who love the pocket scrapbooking, but you want to get a little loose with creativity and matting, you can do that. For those of you who don't have a lot of time for matting, this is another thing that's great, or not even time. If you just have a hard time matting, this is something that you want to think about, or a project you want to consider making, because it takes a lot of the guesswork out for you, because it is a combination of different matting styles. All right, so for instance, you could do regular photo mats, right? Excuse me. You can do pocket card inserts. You can get super fancy with these where you seal them and you put little goodies in them. You can seal your photo mat in there. And I have some examples of that in my original project. Or you can leave them open like pockets and just have all sorts of goodies in these just to share with whomever is receiving this, or with yourself. So you have multiple options here. This here also, you can add the whatchamacallits, the pockets to your project as well. Like here, Gretchen did this. I don't think I did this in my original project. This is a Gretchen thing here. So I think this is a really sweet idea right off the bat. So why is it called a half page mini? I'll explain. These are all half pages. If I take everything out this album, all you're going to be left with is this. All right, half a page. This is what is attached to the album. Everything else comes out. So you have all these little units right here. All right, all these little goodies that you take out of the album, and you can look, mix and match, do what we love to do, which is look, right? And so these booklets, I made them with combination traditional type of scrapbooking with the pocket card insert. All right, you can pretty much use any pocket card insert you want. It just has to fit within those parameters. I think these are the 6x8s. Don't quote me on that, but all of those instructions are in the tutorial. So I will be sure to link you down below to the half page mini. It's perfect. It's a perfect marriage between what we love to do and a little something a little simple, a few shortcuts that still give you that wow factor. So not necessarily a shortcut, but just working smart, not working hard, right? So then these booklets go inserted right into these pockets here. Ooh, why am I? Oh, sorry, my bad. This way. Get inserted into these pockets here, and boom, done. All right, so you have all sorts of layering opportunities here with the tuck space, the half pocket, and again, all sorts of opportunities. So we flip the page. There's that half page right there. It's a sweet area for a photo mat, little tuck space back here. Here are some really cool photo mats. These are smaller photo mats which make your album really, really interesting. I believe this is a manila file folder here. I'm not quite sure if this is cardstock or manila file folder. I'm assuming this is the EK Success punch. I think that's what that is. And then again, another half page and another booklet. So you get to do whatever you want with these. You can slap your photos right on the cover, embellish, and that's it. Add pattern paper, put your little pocket cards inside, and it's very, very simple, guys. Look at how great this is. So beautifully done. If you love it, I think you guys are going to love it. You always need that one or two albums in your library where it's like, okay, I'm going to pull this one out. This one's a quick and easy one, and it's just still you get to be creative, but you see the finish line. All right, sometimes we just need to see that finish line in a project. Look how beautiful that looks. I love excuse me, all these little photo mats and things that we can take out and explore and just experience, just touch everything. I love that. So again, pocket card arrangement. There's your pocket card sleeve, I guess that's what this is called. These would represent the pocket cards that you put in there, and of course we've got all sorts of pocket cards in the collection as well. You can decorate them if you want to, of course. There's a 4x6 photo, really nice signature cut on here, and then 3 photo arrangements. I love it. So perfect. Quick and easy project. You guys are going to love it. You're going to be thanking me for this one. If you don't have the half page mini yet and you're like, where have you been all my life? Here it is, guys. I have so many projects that I've made years ago and new ones. So I have like 1,000 videos on YouTube. So yeah, there's a lot to see. So if you've missed one, I forgive you. All right. So if you want, you can do a sleeve just loose, standalone piece, right? And this is magnetized onto there, so it's not like flipping and flapping everywhere. What's great about this is I love the idea of sealing these and creating fun little pouches of goodies on the inside. You can even put photos in there and just shake them all about. So I think that would be really, really cute. And then we've got our little booklet with our photo mat options. Nice cuts right here, just for 2 fun photo mats. Here's the front of it. Look at how darling. And then that pocket card sleeve. So this is all about the photos, guys. All about the photos. Just make it really simple for you to slip those photos in there, and you take the guesswork out of everything. Everything. And then, of course, as you all know we get the fun elements here. And you can insert these both ways. It just doesn't have to be one way, by the way. Either way, they fit. It all depends how well you glue down your photo mats, because if you don't, they will catch when you're inserting it into the half page. Okay? Look at how cutesy. Fun. Again, little tuck areas, photos everywhere. So this is getting scrappy right here. Okay, you have your photos right on your pictures, not just on your pages, not just in your pockets. So look at this, how cute this photo arrangement here. Here we've got 2 of the, oh no, I'm lying, 1 of them attached, and then we have this loose one that's magnetized to the booklet, and it's just so cute. It's really, really cute. I think it's a really nice way to bridge the 2 styles of crafting. Okay, let me know what you think about this. This one is an oldie but a goodie. I think this is a really nice way to break out. I shouldn't say break out the pocket cards, because I really love pocket cards. I can't seem to craft without them anymore. So a genius idea. A pocket card can make or break a project. Okay, if you don't have enough pocket cards to go around your album. So very, very important. So I love this idea. And you just don't have to take this idea and use it with the half page mini. You can do this with any album. Any of the albums, as long as it fits within the scope and the size of the album, go for it. You can absolutely take those sleeves and put them anywhere. Sorry, I'm talking a lot and I didn't show you how absolutely stunning this is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I absolutely love that. Just gorgeous. I think I want to put this one this way. Beautiful to look at. This paper, I mean, really, you cannot go wrong with this paper. No matter how you mat, guys, you will get it right. I've got a photo out here. I failed to put it in my sleeve, right there in the sleeve, and that's attached to the pocket or to the inside of the pocket. And look at how cute. So you can make your traditional photo mats, and you can do pocket card photo mats. Whatever you want, you can do it. Okay? And that's it. That's all I got for you on this one. So this is the half page mini featuring the Flight 2715 paper collection, courtesy of Gretchen. I'm not going to pronounce her last name because I think I'm going to get it wrong and I don't want to ruin it, but it's in the description box below. All right, so be sure to check her out and let her know what you think of this album. Give her some love and some comments on the album, guys. I will link you down below to everything that you need to make this project and more. Thank you so much. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.